To make the glaze for these mini bundt cakes, I began by measuring out my icing sugar with a scale and sieving it all through. Then, very gradually, I added in the lemon juice. Now that is 4/4 teaspoons at a time here. I'm going really slow and taking my time to really push the spoon down for the sugar to take on as much of the liquid as possible. Continue adding more liquid until you get a very thick paste-like consistency. From that stage, now add in small amounts of your liquid. It will begin to get more runny as you go, but you're still looking for quite a thick consistency. This is a nice consistency, but if you're using a very fine number 1 nozzle, add a little bit more liquid.